Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, TCS NQT interview results are pending and some students are asking me whether the interview result will come in August. Let me make it very clear to you friends that interview result is pending because all the interviews for TCS NQT off campus has not been completed yet. And once they are completed, after that the result will come. From my own TCS experience of recruitment and what we have seen with the MBA hiring that completed last month, that when all the interviews were completed, result was immediately out the next week. So still interviews are going on this week also, and maybe some interviews will fall in the next week. And we are anticipating that there are high chances that result will come by next week max. So don't go around the rumors, because in August it cannot come because it will be very late, because TCS has to do their on-campus drive by the August or September month for the new batch as well. So this will not take much time. By the way, I have a good news for you that we are organizing a LinkedIn live masterclass in which we will be helping students to build their LinkedIn profile and to search jobs and internship basis their own. This will be absolutely a free of cost internship and job hunting LinkedIn profile optimization masterclass that we are organizing on this weekend from Friday, Saturday, Sunday from 8 to 9:30 p.m. This is completely free of cost. This is to help you to use your time to learn some skills that will help you in your early career. So what you are waiting for, you can register from the link given below in the description box and directly learn from me. It will be a live workshop where you will work with me to build your LinkedIn profile like a professional. Thank you.